Okay, this is skill 221, using the complex number I squared. So in this problem right here, they say that I squared is -1. They just tell you that. Now, the problem might not be so nice on the ACT test. They might assume you know that I squared is -1. I'll tell you quick why. Because I is defined as the square root of -1. And so if you want I squared, that means the square root of -1 times the square root of -1. And now, because of the property of square roots, that when you multiply the exact same number times itself, like for example, square root of 2 times the square root of 2 gives you the square root of 4, which is 2, we get whatever's underneath the root. So the square root of, if you take I and you square it, because I is the square root of -1, and I square it, this times this, I get -1. So if you know that I squared is -1, that would be a really good thing. Now, how do we use that? Well, they asked for the product of this and this. All that is multiplying out 3 plus 5i times 8 minus 2i. That's just FOIL it out. First, outside, inside, last. The first make 24. The outside makes -6i. The inside makes positive 40i. And the lasts make -10i squared. And there it is. There's the really important part. Okay, so now we did all of that so that we could get it down to plus, let me think, -6 and the positive 40 makes plus 34i. And this last part is really critical. You need to know that I squared means -1. So -10 times -1. And that makes positive 10. Okay, because the negative times the other negative makes it positive 10. The positive 10 goes with the 24 and makes it 34 plus 34i. Now it's better to have that I at the end because that's how you write complex numbers, with your real part first and your imaginary part second. So there is your answer, and that was that one. And basically it boils down to you can treat I just like a variable, but when you get an I squared, it equals -1. That's all I have for you on that one.